Good morning. So it is a beautiful summer's day here in England, and we're going for like a little swim. It's in a river.
It's called Warleigh Weir.
Warleigh Weir.
Near Bath.
Near Bath. It looks quite nice. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna soak up the sun. We're gonna go for a swim in the river, and we are also gonna have a little picnic as well.
A bit nervous about being around loads of people with the camera.
Yeah, we're still getting used to filming with people around, so we'll see how we go. This is going to be practice though.
Right, we've just been to Asda to get our picnic stuff and we're on the way.
Do you know what? I am so excited for today. Yesterday we had a little bit of a stressful situation go on, and I think I might let Jordan tell you about that.
I'd just finished work and I had a flat tyre, so I called Jason and we said we were going to change the tyre. I had a spare tyre and we were trying to use the jack to get the car up. It wasn't working. And someone came along and they helped us with the tyre. We went to just pump the spare tyre up and my car was dead where I had my hazards on. We had to then buy jump leads and we used Jason's car and we had to call Steve, Jason's stepdad, to tell us how to use the jump leads because we'd never done it before. But then it was alright, then we got home.
Got home and then we ordered an Indian takeaway to celebrate us changing a tyre and jump starting a car for the first time.
We learnt a lot.
We learnt so much. But
we've just gone the wrong way on the motorway. We missed the exit.
It's because I was talking to the camera and not looking at the sat nav.
Concentrate when you're driving. Parked up and we're on the way to the Weir. We've got a lovely little walk.
So luckily we were driving somewhere else because they said there wasn't much parking, but there was a parking spot, so we're a lot closer than what we were originally going to be, which is good. And look at the scenes.
Lovely.
Look at it. It's beautiful. Right, she is now putting some sun cream on.
Especially my shoulders. Very bad.
Nice.
It's so nice.
Right, so we have had a pretty awesome day here, to be fair. So nice and sunny outside. The water is freezing, but I definitely recommend coming here. I'll put the location on the screen somewhere now. We're gonna sunbathe for a little bit longer. Jordan's just gone for a walk. Yeah, I said it was me. How nice is this?
No, it's not nice. What an amazing day we've had.
It's been awesome. So good.
And it was freezing cold, but we had a bit of a swim. It was like a lazy river, wasn't it? It just dragged you along, but it was really fun.
Carried this bag for, I don't know, 10 miles. Honestly. Got enough in there for a